Hey, I've never seen these. Never seen these at the outlet. Vaporfly, ah, the Vaporfly 4%. Dang. Dang, look at that. Most expensive shoes I've ever seen at the outlet. What's going on, you guys? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are out in Santa Clarita. Was it like a Wednesday or something? Yeah, they still got a 30% off. So man, we checking them out. Checking them out again for the 900th time. Got that 30% off all footwear. Oh, dang. Look at the big time resale in the back. Look at that. 30% off. Dang, so I'm checking out the slides. Pretty much just all of the broke ass Jordan 7s, which are terrible, as well as the 6s. And then there's a Jordan break slide too. What is this? Oh, there's a black and altitude green and 10. But I already got a bunch of those. So yeah, so I'll keep it moving. More size 11s. What's this? It's got Jordan Grind, College Navy. It's like a Michigan colorway, so that's. Oh, look at that, Michigan. Oh, I have to look at this. Usually the school-related ones, dude, tend to sell pretty good. $60. Let me look it up. Size 10.5. This is kind of the Jordan area. Really, not much. Really, not much. These Jordan White Knots, all these last week or the last time I was here, for 65, 30% off. Got some LeBron lows that they hit for $80. Damn, that's a little bit high. $80, 30% off. I love how they trick us. Jordan 6s? No. The lift offs. $60 though. Yeah, those are terrible looking. I think I saw this last time. These are nice. It's a cool ass colorway. At the back, on the bottom, we got that little hit of orange right there. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Got the Air Max 1 Premium with the JDI print all over it. They go for $70, 30% off. Is that like 51 or something? As usual, we got soldiers galore, different colors, different colorways. It's just all kinds of soldiers. Pretty much all of them here for $79.99. That's kind of steep, even with 30% off. Kind of steep. I'm still in the size 10, dude. They got the Metcon 4 XD. It's the last generation, but colorway is kind of cool. Price is really good. Got the Metcon DSX. Oh, I don't really know the difference between the Metcons, but price is good on that. DSX Flyknit 2s going for $70. That's not bad. Pegasus Turbo 2s. These haven't been out for very long. Going for retail. Dang, got the Vomeros. You know that. Those of you guys who've been watching, you know I've been a fan of these. Super comfortable. 85, 30% off. 85, not bad. That's a nice budget option for some of you guys. $45. No clue. It looks like some React shoes. Can't really tell. Looks like React, but who knows? That's pretty much the size 10 and a half. Let's go check out some other sizes. 9.5 section, man. Rarely ever find anything 9.5 here. Just because they only got one row and just people post up here. What the hell is this? Some 270s? Going for retail? Interesting look. Oh, that's interesting. Not bad. Weird colorway of the Proto React. If you guys pay attention to my channel, they were selling these for $50. All black. They're selling for $50 at Shoe Palace. Had all the sizes. So yeah, I don't know who's paying $150 of motherfuckers. People are not paying $50 for it, dude. I don't know who's doing that. Was that the price earlier? 84, 85 for the Vomeros. Man, I love these. And they're keeping them in the family too. Look at that. The gray ones. Not bad. I love those. I wish I could get them. The Pegasus, so close. $15 cheaper. So close in performance. These got the Lunar Lawn though, so a little bit harder. Lunar Lawn. That one has to React. Dang, I've never seen these. At the outlet. The Vaporfly 4%. Dang. Dang, look at that. Most expensive shoes I've ever seen at the outlets. $250. Holy crap, they're loud. I mean, I'm sorry, holy crap. Holy crap, it is light. Worn than a motherfucker too, like I said. You just wear these one time, man. The Zoom Turbo, Zoom X, man, it really does crease after one try, dude. Not bad though, dang. Just throwing stuff on the ground, dang. $250, first time I've seen those. I was gonna say, hey, this is the Zoom Flyknit. This is the cheaper version right here. $100. Cheaper version, you guys. 95, 30% off, not no 250. The Vomero's right there too. All white, 95, not bad. 95, 30% off. Dang, Element's going for 130. Damn, that's like retail. New colorway or something? Oh, it's high. Yeah, this EXPs, man. These good option or good substitute for the Elements, man. These got the React, super comfy, not bad. That's the 8.5, you guys. Show you the big footers, 14. Look at that. Look at how many times has the price changed on this one? 4 times the price has changed. MSRP. I think MSRP on this one's like 1 something. MSRP, yeah, 150 down to 44, $45, and now 30% off on top of that. Not bad. Zoom Flatters, not the softest, but still pretty comfortable. Size 13, there really isn't much. It's got the wind flows, just similar to the Pegasus. Odyssey React, oh, this is legit. All white, Odyssey React. $70, 30% off. That's really legit. 50, what's that, $48, $49? Legit. These have been here for a minute, man. Someone needs to pick these up. These look sick. Pippin, the wheat ones.
Finding everything okay?
Pegasus Turbo. Pegasus Turbo, 105. That's a steal right there. Still got these, man. These is going for 100. It's going for 100, I believe, at the which one was that one? Ontario outlet that I dropped a week ago. For 100, man. The pricing schemes are just telling you they're strange. What is this? What the hell is this? Air Force One High. Holy cow, there's a lot of stuff going on this one. A strap up there too. Interesting. Size 12, another one of the Michigan grinds. $60. It's like $42 or something. Let's see what we're working with. I'm still thinking about whether I should buy that other one. What do you guys think? Should I buy? Is these good for resale or? I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know what you guys think about this one. They do got this Vapor Max, size 12, Vapor Max, 109, 30% off. That's legit. They don't got nothing in the Jordan section out here. Usually, that's usually where the Jordans are, but nothing today. Just that one Michigan. This one size 12, got the pennies. I feel like these have been here for like a long ass time. With the 95 right here for 95, 30% off though, so I guess it's a little less than 95. We'll check out the 11.5s now. So you got some why nots. So the original Westbrooks OKC colorway, it looks like. I don't know, what do you guys think about this one? I was always kind of whatever about this one. It does have crazy support in the back, and they are super comfortable. You can really feel the Zoom Air in these. $65, 30% off. Not bad. What is this? Oh, dude, really, Jordan? Really? Gotta go with all elephant prints? And then the weird lacing? Oh, man, that looks weird. That looks weird. I'm good. We're moving on. I've never seen this. What is this? It's one of the CP3s? Is this his first one? Obviously got the logo. Is this his first CP3? Or This is 11th. Is this his 11th one? These are ugly as hell. Holy crap. These are terrible. These are terrible. Who's a fan of these, man? Let me know who's a fan of these. I don't think anybody's gonna let me know. $60, 30% off. Dang, more Pegasus Turbo 2s. Wow. Wow. 180, 30% off. Dang, I'm surprised. I thought about it. I'm gonna put these back. There's just too many on sale, and I was looking at the dates of when they were sold, and yeah, they weren't selling too frequently, and there's actually a lot for sale right now. So yeah, I really don't need to keep inventory of a bunch of stuff in my house. So yeah, I'm gonna let those go. I was checking out what this resale is for. I'm like, nothing even any good. I don't know. Maybe the price is really good, but I don't know. I didn't really see what I don't know. All right, guys. So one more Jordan Hydro. I think that comes out to like 24 that I bought or so. I don't know. I bought a crazy number, but I don't know. They've been selling, man. I haven't even posted all of them. They've been selling. So I'm gonna post the rest up. Yeah, if you like these videos, go ahead, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you press that like button. Make sure you leave me some comments. You guys know I come out with 5, 6, 7 videos all the time. So yeah, thanks for watching, you guys. Some bonus content. So yeah, look what I found, you guys. Look what I found. Found some size 10s of the Grant Hills. I think it's the Fila 96, I believe they call it. These are the Grant Hills. He has a lifetime contract now, so these are technically the Grant Hills. So yeah, look, $60. Oh, it doesn't have a sale tag on here. Oh yeah, look at that, $60 freaking dollars, you guys. So the size 10s are a little tight. They fit kind of weird. The technology of these are not that great, so yeah, they fit kind of weird. But yeah, they go. Look, I found some 10.5s. I'm gonna have to grab these, man. These are one of my favorite shoes in high school. They look huge. They look huge, but I don't know. I'm a fan though. I'm a big fan. Hey guys, we're out in Los Angeles. Warehouse shoe sales. Warehouse shoe stores WSS. I got these Jordan 33s. $100. Oh, that is the Chinese New Year colorway. They got 33 black on clearance for $100. Got the all white, $100. We got them a couple different sizes. Not bad. Prices aren't crazy low, but decent. This is their whole Hydro section. They got the Hydro 4s. Those are size 15s, man. Those are huge. $30. And they got one more here for a size 13 for $30. Not really a profit, but not a bad deal. Not a bad deal.